Imagine a club with a strict guest list. Only certain people are allowed in. CORS or cross origin resource sharing works the same way on the web, controlling who can access your resources. CORS is a browser security feature that blocks requests from untrusted domains. It ensures that only approved websites can fetch data from your server or API. When a web app makes a request to another domain, the server responds with CORS header. If the requesting domain is on the guest list, it is allowed. Otherwise, the browser blocks it, just like a bouncer turning someone away. CORS is a key layer of security. It helps protect sensitive data, control third-party access, and make sure your API is not misused by unknown websites.